Hey guys, so I stopped by that church in the article, and 3 veranda deluxes plus some cool lighting. And then in the foyer area here, a couple of horizon looking things. It's a beautiful sanctuary. Wonder why they were all reversed. Is it reverse over here? Oh, yep. So no stencil. Thought it was stencil, it's just dust. Interesting how many times I've seen Nutones with a reverse switch in churches. Maybe it was something they marketed. Okay, I gotta run, but I'm glad I got to see this. Thanks for watching.